UNFSS is a platform to talk about standard systems between UN and different actors, and they are working with emerging economies, countries of emerging economies, Brazil, India, China, South Africa, Mexico, and Indonesia, which is interesting. And they want to create in these countries national platforms, or they are creating national platforms to discuss, to interact about the effect that standards are having in their products and trade. So it's all about standards, yes, but it's related about the role, it's about the role also of development, and it's a role about trade, and it's about sustainability. We have looked at, one of the main questions that has come here is about government and the importance of government participating in the definition of standards as one of the stakeholders and one of the key stakeholders with different opinions and different points of view on whether a government should impose as a regulation a standard that is voluntary or not. There's also the complaint about the number of standards, the need for countries to reduce standards and create a baseline, to create a common understanding of a minimum standard for a specific sector. And it's nice because it resonates with our intention of having a minimum and common language in coffee. What is sustainability about in coffee? So I find this very interesting in the conference, and it's also about links. We have been talking to FAO and seeing how they can, what kind of link we could have, and we are pending future contacts to see if something might happen, either a collaboration directly with us at global level or at national level. Also interesting contact with China's representatives and India representatives, who China is establishing a platform next year, and it could be interesting for our Chinese members or members with interests in China to be there and link and make use of those platforms. So it's something to be explored.